What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so pumped for today's video because we're about to take the classic peanut butter and jelly combo to a whole new level. That's right. We're diving headfirst into 10 mind-blowing PB&J recipes that will rock your world. We're talking PB&J tiramisu, ice cream cake, muffins, pancakes, donuts, you name it, we're making it. And the best part? All these recipes are surprisingly easy to follow even if you're a total beginner in the kitchen. So grab your aprons, folks, and let's get this PB&J party started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now let's get cooking. Alright guys, first up we're tackling a classic Italian dessert but with a delicious PB&J twist. We're starting with ladyfingers, but instead of coffee, we're dipping them in a mixture of 1 cup milk and 1 cup creamy peanut butter. Make sure each ladyfinger gets a good soak. You'll need 1 pack of ladyfingers. Then we're layering them in a dish and topping them with a dreamy blend of 1 cup mascarpone cheese, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Repeat the layers, adding generous dollops of 1 cup of your favorite jelly, and finish it all off with a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Trust me, the combination is out of this world. Next up, we're building an epic PB&J ice cream cake that's perfect for any occasion. We'll start with a base of crushed graham crackers mixed with melted butter, the perfect crust for our masterpiece. Press it into a pan and bake until golden brown. Once cooled, we'll layer on a generous scoop of 1 quart vanilla ice cream, followed by a layer of 2 cups peanut butter sauce, and then a layer of 2 cups of your favorite jelly. Repeat the layers, ending with ice cream, and a final drizzle of peanut butter and jelly for good measure. Freeze for a few hours and get ready to be amazed. Let's switch gears and whip up a batch of these irresistible PB&J muffins. They're super easy to make and perfect for a quick breakfast or a midday snack. We're starting with a simple batter of 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, being careful not to overmix. Then, gently fold in 1 cup of creamy peanut butter and dollops of your favorite jelly, about 1 cup. Divide the batter into muffin tins, bake until golden brown, and enjoy. Time to take your weekend brunch to the next level with these fluffy PB&J pancakes. We're starting with our favorite pancake mix. Feel free to use your go-to recipe or grab a boxed mix. You'll need 2 cups of pancake mix, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, here's the fun part. Once the pancakes are cooked, we're sandwiching them together with a layer of 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 cup of jelly. You can even get creative and add sliced bananas or chocolate chips for an extra dose of deliciousness. Top it off with a drizzle of maple syrup and breakfast is served. Get ready for a taste explosion with these insanely good PB&J donuts. We're starting with a simple yeast donut recipe. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. You'll need 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 tisp of baking powder, and 1 tisp of vanilla extract. Once the donuts are fried to golden perfection, we're filling them with a creamy peanut butter filling. Use 1 cup of peanut butter. You can use a piping bag or a Ziploc bag with the corner snipped off. Then, for the finishing touch, we're dipping them in a sweet jelly glaze. You'll need 1 cup of jelly for this. The combination of the fluffy donut, the rich peanut butter, and the sweet jelly glaze is pure magic. Got some overripe bananas on hand? Perfect! Let's turn them into this moist and delicious PB&J banana bread. We're starting by mashing 3 ripe bananas and combining them with 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 cup butter, 2 eggs, and 1 TSP vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, then gently fold in 1 cup peanut butter, 1 cup jelly, and 1/2 cup milk. Pour the batter into a loaf pan, bake until golden brown, and enjoy a slice of this comforting classic. Let's bake a show-stopping PB&J cake that's guaranteed to impress. We'll start with a classic vanilla cake batter. Again, feel free to use your favorite recipe or a boxed mix. You'll need 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once the cake layers are baked and cooled, we'll frost them with a creamy peanut butter frosting using 1 cup of peanut butter and layer on some sweet and tangy jelly with 1 cup of jelly. You can even get creative with the decorations, adding sprinkles, chopped peanuts, or even mini peanut butter cups. This cake is perfect for birthdays, potlucks, or any occasion that calls for a delicious celebration. Need a quick and easy snack that's perfect for on the go? These PB&J bars are here to save the day. We're starting with a simple crust made from 2 cups of oats, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Press it into a baking pan and bake until lightly golden brown. While it's baking, prepare the peanut butter filling by combining 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Spread the peanut butter filling over the cooled crust, top with a generous layer of 1 cup of jelly, and sprinkle with chopped peanuts. Let it set in the fridge, then cut into bars and enjoy. Let's give a classic breakfast staple a delicious PB&J makeover with this irresistible French toast recipe. We're starting by whisking together 2 eggs, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a pinch of cinnamon. Dip slices of bread from a 1 loaf into the egg mixture, making sure each slice is evenly coated. Then, we're cooking them on a griddle with 1/4 cup butter until golden brown and slightly crispy. But here's the twist. Instead of using syrup, we're topping our French toast with a dollop of 1 cup peanut butter and a spoonful of 1 cup jelly. Trust me, this combination is pure breakfast bliss. Last but not least, we're baking up a batch of these irresistible PB&J cookies that are impossible to resist. We're starting with a classic peanut butter cookie dough. Feel free to use your favorite recipe or a store-bought dough. You'll need 1 cup peanut butter, 2 cups flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Once the cookies are baked and cooled, we're sandwiching them together with a generous dollop of your favorite jelly. Use about 1 cup of jelly for this step. You can even roll the edges of the cookies in sprinkles or chopped peanuts for an extra touch of sweetness and crunch. These cookies are perfect for sharing, but we won't judge if you end up eating the whole batch yourself. And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing PB&J recipes that are guaranteed to satisfy your cravings. From classic comfort food to impressive desserts, there's something here for everyone. I had so much fun cooking up these delicious treats with you today, and I can't wait to see your culinary creations. Don't forget to share your photos and tag me on social media. I love seeing what you come up with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes, and I'll see you next time.